Hello to everyone. This is merely a coincidence. On this channel, you may pick up helpful knowledge about things like how to improve yourself and how to make money online. I made a video on surveys to demonstrate how you may earn money online more quickly by simply utilizing your free time to watch videos online and receive payment for it. Therefore, let's get going right now. Before I forget, I learned that lots of people wanted me to make a video explaining how to earn money by completing straightforward surveys. I'll be discontinuing this channel later, so please keep watching. I want to take you over to a website that rewards visitors for watching online videos. Let's start straight now. I'll be showing you a variety of websites that you can use on your smartphone to access from the comfort of your home and make money watching videos online. If you don't understand those methods, you can write a comment down below. We are always looking for innovative methods to monetize on this channel. We usually put a lot of time and effort into researching properly to make sure that we can not only generate money, but that we can do so in the most practical way possible. I am well aware that there are numerous opportunities to make money. The method I'll show you today is, however, pretty straightforward. You've probably been doing it unknowingly for a while because it's so easy to do. This means that you can watch videos and get money from them. Although it might seem unattainable to you, it is actually possible for you to make money online by simply watching videos. This is how you are going to carry out this task. To learn exactly how to do it so that it will be simple for you when you can do it on your own, watch this video and stay with me until the very finish. Apart from walking you through the steps, once you start earning money virtually every hour, you won't have to worry about money the next time you consider making a purchase of your favorite item. Today, this approach does not call for a particular set of qualifications or expertise. You only need your phone or laptop to get started. Every person in the world has access to doing this. There are no limitations on which nations may use this technique, and most importantly, it is totally free. To get started, you don't need to make any upfront purchases or monthly subscriptions. Imagine being paid free money to watch. To use this strategy and make money, you must still invest some of your time and energy. Yes, it is free, but it takes work. Just know that using this strategy alone won't make you a millionaire overnight. It won't take the place of your day job, and it requires constant work to be successful. You could increase your current income by using this strategy. Although it won't make you rich, it will help you with your everyday costs. All of that has already been said. The only thing left for you to do is to sit back, unwind, and pay close attention to this video. If you miss even one portion of it, you won't be able to successfully generate money when the time comes. Take a close look. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below before we start so you never miss new videos or chances to earn money online. Zoombucks is the name of the website I'll be introducing to you today. Search for zoombucks.com in your browser's search bar. Zoombucks is a reward site that pays its users for doing things such as streaming videos, doing surveys, and completing offers. In addition to paying you in cash, they will also provide you with gift cards from a variety of well-known firms, indicating that this is a real and trustworthy service. As you scroll down the web page, you can see that this is how this platform works. The first thing is that they want engagement. They are looking for participation in surveys as well as purchases of items and services from advertising on the website. The second thing is that they seek to attract new members. They recruit individuals who are willing to accomplish a variety of activities, and then they compensate you for completing the duties you were assigned. The third is that they require you to participate in online activities. You will receive payment in the form of cash and gift cards as well as other rewards for completing surveys, completing offers, and watching videos. As previously stated, there are numerous ways to profit. But for the purpose of this video, we will solely concentrate on watching videos because it is something that you already do on a regular basis, and because it will pay you the most money with the least amount of effort. Before we continue, if you like this video and leave a comment below, please do so. If you have any questions concerning the video, feel free to do so as well. To get started, you must first create an account here. Fill out this form right here, type in your email address and password, and then click the sign up button. You can also use your Facebook account or Google account to register for a faster sign up process. You will also need to verify yourself and complete the CAPTCHA. Once you've signed up, you must complete your profile. After that, you may take a look around the website, where you will notice that they offer a diverse range of channels with a variety of different types of content. Later on, you will be able to begin watching the videos, but keep in mind that in order to earn money and accumulate points, you must watch the entire video. You may also move between channels so that you can always find videos to watch, which is another useful feature. Finally, depending on your preferences, you can exchange your points for cash or gift cards. As you can see here, there are free gift cards from the big companies that I've talked about earlier. I want you to click on the button Watch Here. Here you can see a lot of different videos that you can watch at your leisure. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and enable notifications to remain informed about the newest online income opportunities. You can earn money in just that way by watching videos for nothing at all. You can do this by watching free YouTube videos, which will allow you to earn money. And now, if you want to learn how to earn $500 per day by viewing YouTube videos, click the first link in the description below. This is a brand new way to earn free PayPal money by watching quick, simple movies that anyone can accomplish, regardless of background. Yes, it is possible, and in that particular video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Look into it. I sincerely appreciate your interest. Please leave a like and enable notifications so that you won't miss any upcoming content. Watch the following video, which highlights the top instant payment survey apps